The biggest storm of the season, bringing widespread impacts across much of southern Ontario. We are looking at school closures, some school bus cancellations out of Pearson International. Delays are starting to occur. And of course, that's not the only issue, but very, very cold wind chills if you do have to be out for any extended period of time. Widespread snowfall warnings, and in addition to that, some squall advisories too. By the time the system wraps up, we are looking at a wide swath of 15 to 25 centimeters of snowfall. Now, the snow will also come with very blustery winds, bringing reduced visibility and blowing snow. So hour by hour for us for this morning, the deeper the blue, the heavier the snowfall. And you see those numbers, those are the wind gusts. So these winds are significant enough to create blowing snow and reduce visibility, hazardous conditions on the road that will take us into the mid-morning hours. As we head through the afternoon, some light snowfall begins to push through the GTA with the heavier snowfall Highway 7 and northward toward the Ottawa region. By the time we head into the afternoon and evening, the snow wraps up, but with those gusty winds, we're still likely to see impacts with blowing snow affecting the drive.